Okay, so hey guys again. I'm back. Anyway, so let us continue with our makeup since hindi natin natapos. Nawalan ng minutes yung recorder natin. Nawalan. Sorry for being annoying. Okay guys, I'm back. I am very needed. Okay, so magme-makeup tayo first before I go downstairs. I'm going to finish this. Yan. So, na-intensify ko because I feel like I really want to intensify my eye makeup. Then, next thing, blend, blend, blend. And blend natin. Ganda na ba tayo? Ganda natin, di ba? Ang ganda ko. Next thing, eyebrow. Next thing, eyebrows. Okay, by the way, I'm using this Essence thing. Essence Make Me Brow. Eyebrow mascara in brown. I think this is in brown. Okay, so eyebrows natin, lagyan natin. Konti lang. Ganda, di ba? Gandang-ganda sa sarili, best. Next thing. Okay, so let's apply our ang mahiwaga nating Sunny's Face in Nude. Brown siya, guys. Grabe. Carry ba natin to? Let's try. So this is the nudist. Ang ganda. Charots. Carry ba? Well, I'm going to use this HD Dessert by Revlon. Lang, gusto ka lang. Pretty na. We're going to fix our hair, of course. Kasi, sabi nila, the hair is the crowning glory. So, let's fix our hair. Fix our hair. Comb our hair. Okay, so let's put a clip on our hair. Yan. Lang. Simple lang. And then, oh my god. Let's use this Abing Thermal Spring Water. Okay, so, yan. Just to set our makeup. Pang-pa-aura lang to. Okay? Actually, for hydration siya. Kasi, ano lang naman to lightweight na makeup and simple makeup. Oh my god. Okay, so I think I'm going to end this video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope guys na nagustuhan niyo yung ginawa kong tutorial, simple makeup look. Okay, so if you have any suggestions kung ano yung gusto nyong makita from me or kung ano yung gusto kong gawin is please comment below. Okay? So, mag-comment lang kayo kung anong kabaliwan yung gusto nyong makita sa aking channel. Kunyari, kung may gusto kayong ipaturo sa akin paano magluto, yan. Let's do it. Okay? So, I hope you like my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Bye, guys!